Hey guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to unbox this Joyroom wireless AirPods. If you guys can see on a box, it's only one. Why? Because in a Joyroom you will find two different variants of this product. One is a mono and one is a stereo. So currently we have only mono, so we will just do the unboxing of this one. Before that, I will tell you I already did the unboxing of a Chinese wireless AirPods on this channel. So if you guys still didn't check the video of that one, you can just check. I will just put the link inside the description. Now we will talk about this one, why this product is much more better than the other Chinese brands. First, Joyroom is a well-known brand in China. Second thing, the online reviews of this one is very good. Why? Because the functions of this wireless earphones, it's almost like Apple AirPods. First, there is no physical button on the earphone. It's have a touch sensor. They are using the 5.0 Bluetooth, and once you will take the device from the charging, like once you will remove this AirPods from the charging case, the Bluetooth connectivity will be automatically active. So you just need to pair with your smartphone. So you don't need to press the button and you will see red and blue light and you have to pair with your smartphone. That kind of function is not available in this one. And the distance of the Bluetooth between your device and the smartphone approximately 10 to 15 meters. So we will just do the unboxing of this one. Let's see what's come inside the box. So this is the main thing, which is a Joyroom wireless earphones, which is a mono and it's a right side. In this one, if you want to select the left and right, you can select it from the market. So currently I have only the right side one. Comes with the silicone case. It's good thing that it comes with the silicone case, because most of the time you will not see brands are giving the protection case with the AirPods, especially the Chinese one, and the manual. Now the most important thing I will tell you about the battery timing of this one. This charging case comes with the 150 milliampere battery, which can charge your earphones approximately 4 times. And this earphones contain the 45 milliampere battery, which you can use around 3 to 4 hours. Now 2 hours it will take to charge this case, and 30 minutes it will take to charge this AirPods from this charging case. Okay, so this is a major information. Now we will just see this important thing. So they have a front side button which you can press and you can charge the AirPods if it's out of battery. It comes with the magnetic function, and once you will take out this device, the Bluetooth will be automatically activated. I will show you that there is no button on this one. It works on a touch sensor. So if you want to answer the phone call, you just need to press one time, and if you want to disconnect the call, press twice. So I will just connect this one and show you how to answer the phone call. I will just pair this one with my smartphone. So once I will search for the device, it will show me here JR-SP1. I just need to press. Now it's connected. I just need to make a phone call, so I can answer the phone directly from here. So this was the major functions of this one. Now we will just test the sound quality of this one. We will just see how is the sound quality of this AirPods. It's good, bad, medium. Let's see. I will just play some songs. And one more thing, if you want to control the songs from this earphones, even you can play and pause. Once you will press, it will start playing. And if you want to stop, just press twice. It will stop the song. So I will just play the song. The sound quality is fine. It's not that much bad. It's clear. There is no distortion. I can hear the sound clearly, the song's lyrics and everything. Okay, and the distance of this earphones from your smartphone approximately 10 meters, which is a standard Bluetooth distance. So this was the review of this Joyroom wireless AirPods. Price wise, it's good, and it's almost similar, looks like an Apple AirPods. There is no button, as I told you. It works on a touch sensor, and the price of this one is a 75 dirhams, which is in a local market. If you want to buy from some online websites, they have a different prices also. I will just put the link inside the description so you can buy from there. And this was the small review. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to share with your friends, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is Arun Kumar signing off. I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.